The Mtcp scholarship is currently open for applications. So this scholarship is sponsored by the Malaysian government, and it is for international students who are from developing countries and you'd like to do your postgraduate studies in Malaysia. So it's mainly for master's degree programs, and the duration varies. It's between 24 to 36 months. I guess it will depend on the type of master's degree that you enroll in or that you apply for. In terms of eligibility, like I already mentioned, it's for international students from NTCP recipient countries. So you need to check first before you start your application to check if indeed your country is one of the recipient countries for the scholarship. You can check by going to About, click where it says About, and then it will take you to more information about the MTCP scholarship. You also find a list of recipient countries and you can check your own country. You should not be more than 45 years old on the date of the application, which I feel like is good for a master's degree program. That's a good age limit. Academic qualification, your undergraduate degree should be a second class upper with a GPA of 3.50. They also require English language test or English. There's a English language requirement. If you have taken the IELTS, your overall score should be 6.0 and above, or the TOEFL. This is the score 60. Obtained a previous degree with English used as a medium of instruction. So I guess the last one is applicable to you maybe if you can't afford one of these two tests, but you were taught in English for your undergraduate studies. What you can do is go request a letter from your almanac or from your previous institution, your previous university. Ask them to write a confirmation letter that you were taught in English and then submit that letter as proof of your English language proficiency. The scholarship offers tuition fees and other allowances worth this much per month. You notice that on the official website there is not much about the scholarship. This is the information that is available. You are required to do a medical report form, so you can download the form here, take it to your doctor and do a medical exam. There's also a recommendation letter form that you give to your recommenders. If you have any more information about the scholarship, these are the contact details you can call or you can send an email. And then when you are ready to start your application, click where it says apply scholarship, and then you'll be able to start your application online and send your application. Make sure that you fill in the required fields on your application on your application form. I normally do separate videos for application forms, for online application forms, but they're only available to my standard members on Patreon. If you are not yet a member of my Patreon, please join through the link in the video description. And for you to access exclusive content on how to fill in scholarship application forms, you have to upgrade your membership. You can join for free, but for exclusive content, you have to upgrade your membership to a standard member so that you can access the exclusive videos that I'll be doing on filling in application forms, and these videos will not be available on YouTube. So the deadline is not specified here, but when I checked on Facebook, it said 30 June 2024. So please Go and apply. Start your application as soon as possible. All the best with your application.